Hey everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. So my name is Chirag Vaishnav, and in today's video we are going to discuss top IT jobs that AI cannot replace. And why is the need of that? So in present scenario, you might be wondering that what ChatGPT is doing, what all AI tools are doing, they can do literally anything. And due to that, many people are suffering that due to AI advancements, their job security is not that good. So in today's video, we will be discussing about the top jobs that definitely requires a human touch, and we will be exploring that. So the first role we are having is IT manager. So IT manager basically oversees the technology infrastructure of a company. So what it basically includes? It includes software, hardware, cybersecurity and technology related operations that all should work smoothly, and that's the role of an IT manager. While AI can assist in managing some tasks, it cannot replace the human touch of a skilled IT manager. It cannot take the strategic discussions and handle complex projects. So the second role we are having is of business analyst. So business analyst basically works to identify the areas where the company can improve its operations. So it's basically done by analyzing the data or providing recommendations. While AI can definitely analyze large sets of data, but it cannot replace the insights and the intuitions that come from a human experience. Also, business analysts are needed to communicate their findings to all the members in a very effective and efficient way, what AI is not able to do till now. But who knows? So the third, we are having a very creative role, that is of UX designer. So the UX designer works on the products and services of the companies to make it more appealing as well as good user experience. And in the work of UX designer, it is very mandatory to have a good knowledge about human psychology and human behavior, which AI simply cannot replicate. Also, one thing that we can focus on is that UX designer are needed to work collaboratively with others, which AI is not able to do it till now. So the fourth, we are having a very interesting role of data scientist. So data scientists basically analyze lots and lots of data and draw insights from it to run the business decisions. While AI can definitely assist in this process, but it cannot simply replace the experience and the human touch that comes from years and years of experience. And one case that repeats here as well, that data scientists are needed to communicate their findings to others effectively and in a very good manner. AI is not able to do yet. Lastly, we have role of a technical writer. So technical writer basically writes documentations and articles on typical hard technical concepts, but in a very easy way so that the people from non-tech background can also understand it. While AI can simply generate some technical documentations, but it cannot replace the instinct and the human touch of a skilled technical writer that can tailor the documentation according to their target audience. So in conclusion, even if AI is growing at a very rapid pace, there are several IT jobs that definitely cannot be replaced. Basically, the thing that you require is your soft skills, communication skills, and the creative aspect of human experience that simply AI cannot bring. And you should simply focus on one thing, that be good at whatever you are, and nothing can replace you if you are a valuable asset to your company. So I hope you liked the video about all the jobs that AI cannot simply replace.